There will be days when you're falling down. There will be days when you're inside out. There will be days when you fall apart. Someone else will break your heart. They're never gonna hold you back. I'm always gonna have your back. So try to remember that. I hope you're happy. I hope you're good. I hope you get what you wish for, and you're well understood. Now I'm standing here looking at you. I'm wondering what the hell you're gonna do with those Dr. Pepper eyes and your bubblegum hair. Yeah, I'm standing right here. I remember how I held you so right. I remember that Saturday night. Do you? Yeah. There will be days when you're falling down. There will be days when you're inside out. There will be days when you fall apart. Someone else will break your heart. They're never gonna hold you back. I'm always gonna have your back. So try to remember that. I hope you're happy. I hope you're good. I hope you get what you wish for, and you're well understood. And whatever your progress, look, I know you'll be fine, because I just hope you're happy, even if you're not mine. I remember when the world was ours to take. I remember you next to me. I remember you with every breath I take. You'll always have a piece of me. I remember, yeah. Try to remember that. I remember every word that we spoke. You right here next to me. I remember how we tried and we tried everything. I remember that. I hope you're happy. I just hope you're happy. I hope you're happy. I hope you're good. I hope you get what you wish for, and that you're well understood. And whatever your progress, look, I know you'll be fine, because I just hope you're happy, even if you're not mine. I'll leave you with a little Justinism. Thank y'all very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Justin.
Thank you.
Sold out show tonight at the House of Blues.
Yeah, how cool is that?
The record's coming out in June.
June 22nd.
And tomorrow is Record Store Day.
It is.
Gonna go shopping?
I'm gonna go shopping, yes. I don't know what I'm gonna get, though.
Okay. If we looked through your record collection, what would be the one or two records that we like, wow, Justin, what's that?
Like what?
Like weird, like totally just strange.
Strange?
Strange records in your collection.
I listen to strange records, so how about so normal that it's like, what?
Right.
Taylor Swift.
Okay.
I'm sorry, babe. I just dig her. Yeah. I mean, I love Taylor. There's a song that I can't stop listening to. It was popular probably like 3 years ago. It's from Ellie Goulding.
Lights or something?
No, it's the one that goes, touch me like you do. Touch me. No? What are you waiting for? Is it from Twilight? Yeah. It's so romantic and good. Nah.
Did you get those Twilight records for free?
Yeah, no.
Oh.
But I love Alt J. You know, I love Alt J. I'm really proud of Imagine Dragons right now. There's a lot of really good bands out there right now. I love Manchester Orchestra.
Yeah.
They're doing really good. I'm a huge hip hop fan too, and yeah, I can go. But I'm a huge jazz fan. Dave Brubeck. Okay. I like Sigur Rós. All kinds of stuff.
You're a music fan and you're a positive person and you're a great inspiration for a lot of people. So
And
thank
scene.
you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you for your time today.
And scene. Clap for yourself, guys. You were awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Justin.
Thank you.
Justin Furstenfeld of Blue October.